Hi guys, and welcome to part 4 of our vegan Christmas, and today we're going to make Caribbean vegan meat roll. So hey, now this is the big one. We're going to make my Caribbean style vegan meat roll. What makes it Caribbean? Well, I've stuffed it with sweet potato and plantain, and then I've added in jerk seasoning and all that kind of stuff. That's for the stuffing. And then the actual meat bit, well, that's gluten. It's called seitan. For people who sort of transitioning into becoming a vegetarian or vegan, and you want to eat that, have that chew, this is a really good alternative. So it's called seitan or wheat flour, and I'm just going to show you how to make that. So what's our song for today? Let us know, let us know, let us know. Although you know what, I hate the snow, it's too cold. Here we go. Oh, I've got to say, I won't lie to you, you need to have time. But when you've made this, you can make this a few days before, and then you just put it back in the oven on Christmas Day and warm it right through. I'm sweating down some onions, peppers, and some leeks. So as you can see, everything's sweating down nicely. And now we're going to add this to a bowl. We've got chickpeas, we've got the sweated onions. Then I'm going to add some seasoned oil. To make it Caribbean, I'm going to add some ready-made up jerk seasoning. So the reason why we're doing this is so we can get lots and lots of flavour. Then I'm going to add some of this shishmami dujujami. How do I say that? Sishmi toshkwashimashini. Anyway, it's nice. Milk. Some soya sauce. Onion granules. Again, I'm just trying to add lots and lots of flavour. So I was using the wrong apparatus. This is the one I want because it's going to make it nice and smooth. Here is the gluten, the vital wheat. So just to say, this gluten flour is a monster. It will double, it will triple. So make sure your portions are right. And then I'm going to add some chickpea flour. And then I'm going to combine and then make a big dough. Look guys, here it is. This is the dough. But to be honest, this is where the hard work starts, because we don't want it to be bouncy. If you don't need it, it's going to become very yucky and spongy. So 15 minutes on, and I am pummeling and really beating up this seitan. So now roll it out, and then we're going to put the stuffing in the middle. Sweet potato, onion, plantain and peppers, and this is what's giving it the Caribbean vibe. So I'm going to mix in lots of herbs and spices. I have put our stuffing mix in the middle there, and now I'm going to roll it. As you can see, I've rolled it up so nicely, and I'm going to now also put it in my muslin cloth. So I've tied each end off. So you can do this in a bain-marie, or you can put it in a big pot like I'm doing here, and then you're going to make a big stock that it's going to boil in. So given every chance, we're trying to put as much flavour into our lovely roll. I've already put some stock cube in there. So this has been cooking on the pot now for about an hour and a half. The broth that has been boiling in, you can make it into a beautiful gravy. Wow, look at that. It's absolutely perfect. This is my roll. Now that I've added in the herbs, I'm going to add a little bit of oil, and it's going to go into the oven. And so here is our perfect Caribbean meat roll. And it's got with herbs and spices. Half an hour just to give it some colour in the oven. To my potatoes, I've added seasonal garlic and lots of herbs. And in the oven it goes. Oops. And here is our vegan roll. So guys, as you can see, the onions are sweating down really nicely. And now I'm just going to add in my nori. I've cut them up with some scissors. I'm just going to add that in. Don't need to add any salt because it's seaweed, so it's going to be very, very salty. I've steamed my sprouts, and I'm simply just mixing, and there it is guys. Look, absolutely beautiful taste. So as you know guys, Mum is in hospital. It looks like we might possibly be in hospital and having Christmas dinner with her. My mum is a great potter. She loves going to pottery classes. And so I'm gonna present our lovely meal in one of her plates that she made. So I'm going to take our lovely vegan meat roll and I'm going to put it on one of my mum's plates. So here it is, the final meal presented on my mum's very own plate. Isn't it lovely? This is extra stuffing. So guys, this is absolutely delicious. It's really paid off that I packed in all the flavour from when I was making the seitan, from the stuffing, and then even the stock. And also if you look at the texture, it's absolutely beautiful. And again, that kneading for 10-15 minutes, I know it's a long thing, but it really is worth it. And I must say, it's delicious. It's so nice. And you meat eaters who love meat, you eat this, you'll be alright, you'll be happy about it. The sprouts with that seaweed around it, delicious. Guys, I'm happy. Have a happy new year. Merry Christmas, guys, and please don't forget to press that like and subscribe button. Happy New Year.